Welcome everybody to my sign-up series number 63. And and this is gonna be the last time ever for between the battle between Team Fire and Team Ice. But we got some newcomers as well to be to be in the final battle between Team Fire and Team Ice. And here is Team Fire. Participants are Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire by The Myth Gamer, Mohawk Warrior Fire by Refuse Kid 15, Gravedigger Fire by Pinchy 08, Max D Fire by Ashen G, Moxamon Husky Fire by Ember E. Portillo, Moxamon Rottweiler Fire by Mushy Zachman will be a Moxamon Rottweiler Fire. Let me see. Wildfire by Monster Jam Collector Racing. Pirate's Curse Fire by Fire Skull. Zombie Fire by John Cadillacs. Horsepower Fire by Nick Gamer. Fire Megalodon by Holly Triplet, and Son of a Digger Fire by Jacob Davis. I hope I got them all in. And now, here is Team Ice. Team Ice are Northern Nightmare Ice by MJ Fan 2017, Alien Invasion Ice by the Camera 9785, Bakugan Dragonoid Ice by Connor Dogie, Soldier Fortune Ice by Stewie Moher. I bet I pronounced it correctly. Moxamon Ice by the Twins GD. El Toro Loco Ice by Nicola Ivory. Blue Thunder Ice by Walker Fan 500. Ice Dragon by Blue Thunder 2003. Blue Thunder 2003, yeah, will be an Ice Dragon. Gravedigger Ice by Antonio Rodriguez 3. Moxamon Dalmatian Ice by Kaz K. Yeti by Dope Gope. Earthshaker Ice by Chase the Star. Octonator Ice by Monster Jam King. Yeah, I guess that's it. And alright. Let's get this the battle started and this will be the final battle for Team Fire versus Team Ice. Let's do this one last time. And let's get this team battle started. And yeah, and by the way, it'll be like elimination race or something. And whoever loses, their team is out. Okay. Here's the obstacles. I'm trying to think something special. I don't know, but here we go. Max D Fire versus El Toro Loco Ice. The battle of team captains. Who will be out first or eliminated? Oh, Max D Fire. So El Toro Loco Ice is out. Wildfire versus Yeti. Well, Yeti is a winner. So Wildfire is out. I might need to add a little bit of obstacles. Probably after all participants. This will be interesting. Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire. Soldier Fortune Ice. The battle. Well, interesting, but I'm trying to find who the winner is. I'm not sure who touches it first, but I have to decide this one. Alright. I'm decided that I'm gonna do a rerun, but this time I need let's see if I might add a little more obstacles to see We had to find the winner. Okay, let's go for a rerun. Oh man. Okay, is Soldier Fortune Ice is a winner. Moxamut Runtweiler Fire versus Moxamut Ice. The two dogs are, battle each other, but let's see who just went to the furthest, but I can't decide. Let me see. Let me move that card away and let me see who went to the furthest. Man, this is the toughest decision, so I guess we had to go for a rerun, but adding a little more obstacles. I've been adding a few more cars, let's see how that goes. Let's go for a rerun. So the winner is Moxamut Ice. Battle of the Gravediggers. Fire or Ice? Team Ice. Man, Team Ice is winning. Son of a Digger Fire versus Blue Thunder Ice. Son of a Digger Fire, and yet Team Fire has finally got another win from their team. Megalodon Fire versus Octonator Ice. Oh man, Team Ice is winning again. Man, wow, Team Fire is getting robbed. Moxamut Husky Fire versus Moxamut Dalmatian Ice. Oh, who touched it? I bet it was Moxamut Husky Fire touched it first, so Moxamut Husky will move on. Or Moxamut Husky Fire, you mean, remains. Mohawk Warrior Fire, Alien Invasion Ice. Wow, Team Ice is winning again. This is not good for Team Fire. Pirate's Curse Fire versus Dragon Ice. Oh man, Pirate's Curse Fire has won it from Team Fire. Man, wow, Dragon almost made it flip, but stayed out on the wheelie. So Pirate's Curse Fire from Team Fire is a winner. Horsepower Fire versus Earthshaker Ice. Horsepower Fire is a winner. Whiplash Fire versus Bakugan Dragonoid Ice. Bakugan Dragonoid Ice is a winner. Okay. The final trucks on their teams are Zombie Fire, Northern Nightmare Ice. And it was Zombie Fire. Those are the remaining teams that they have. And this is all round number 2, and which team are victorious. Okay? Max D Fire, Gravedigger Ice. Oh, it looks like Max D Fire touched it first, so I guess Max D Fire took the win. Son of a Digger Fire versus Moxamut Ice. Son of a Digger Fire takes the win from Team Fire. Moxamut Husky Fire versus Yeti. Oh man, I bet we might need a rerun for these two, but I need to change a bit of obstacles. I don't know, I had to decide. Okay, I decided that I would go for the rerun for Moxamut Husky Fire and Yeti, because I was trying to figure it out, trying to make those obstacles a bit better, but this is all I have. But alright, let's go for the rerun. Yeti. Pirate's Curse Fire versus Soldier Fortune Ice. Pirates Curse Fire. Horsepower Fire. Alien Invasion Ice. Alien Invasion Ice. Zombie Fire versus Octonator Ice. Octonator Ice. Bakugan Dragonoid is the only Team Ice truck remaining, but they need to face another Team Fire that when it was still remains on next round, but Bakugan Dragonoid Ice wasn't, so it will continues on. Let's see, if Bakugan Dragonoid will remain or Max D Fire. Let's see. Oh man, closer race, but that's a hard decision to tell. Let me see. I can't decide it, but I had to check this to see the results. Okay, I checked the replay, and my final decision that Max D Fire just hits it first. So Max D Fire will remains. Okay, now things are even things up. So Team Fire has 3 and Team Ice has 3. So let's see who will survive. We're going for the third round, and let's see who can survive. Max D Fire, Octonator Ice. Whoa! So Max D Fire gets a win, and man, what a great finish. Son of a Digger Fire versus Alien Invasion Ice. And it was Team Fire. Son of a Digger Fire is staying. Yeti was the only Team Ice truck left. Well, Yeti might able to, to beat Team Fire. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's see if Yeti can do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. So, wow. It's Pirates Curse Fire. Got the win, and this means Team Fire are the winners. And congratulations for Team Fire are victorious of my Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 63. Team Fire versus Team Ice battle, and Team Fire are the winners. If you are on Team Fire, congratulations to you all, and you did great there on my sign-up series number 63, Team Fire versus Team Ice. And yep, that'll be the wrap-up for the final battle for Team Fire versus Team Ice. This will be the last time they will battle it off. Okay, if you'd like to join my sign-up series, be sure to comment. Sorry, I have no words for this, but if you'd like to join my sign-up series in the future, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see when is the next sign-up series for my sign-up series number 64. Okay, I'll see you all, and I'll see you at the Esparza's Monster Truck sign-up series number 64.